Ever thought about swapping that stuffy gym for the great outdoors? Well, you should. Outdoor workouts, they're the real game changer. Imagine this: a jog in the park, yoga by the beach, a hike on a scenic trail, or even cycling through the city streets. Nature's not just a pretty backdrop, folks. It's a powerful motivator. Fresh air, natural light, those beautiful views, they all boost your mood and enhance your performance. And the best part? It's all free. No membership fees, no crowded machines. So next time you're lacing up those sneakers, consider stepping outside. Embrace nature in your workout routine. It's not just fitness, it's a lifestyle. Welcome to the wild side of working out. Remember, outdoor fitness isn't a trend, it's a lifestyle, so make it yours.